Amy Richards is a notable figure in the world of female bodybuilding, recognized for her dedication and achievements in the sport. Originally from Delaware, Ohio, she transitioned from a background in track and field to bodybuilding, showcasing her versatility as an athlete. Richards has competed at various levels, gaining accolades that highlight her commitment to fitness and strength training. Her training regimen emphasizes not just physical strength but also mental resilience, which is crucial in bodybuilding competitions. In addition to her competitive career, Richards is involved in coaching and mentoring aspiring bodybuilders, advocating for women in the sport. She emphasizes the importance of weightlifting for women, promoting it as essential for health and empowerment. Through her efforts, she aims to inspire others to embrace bodybuilding as a means of personal growth and self-confidence. Richards' journey reflects the evolving landscape of female bodybuilding, where women are increasingly recognized for their strength and athleticism. Her contributions continue to pave the way for future generations of female athletes in the sport.